It's April 24th and I'm getting ready to plant potatoes. It's not too late. Potatoes are kind of a long season crop, and this year I'm going to try two different types. One is a fingerling. It's kind of got a pinkish flesh. It's a determinate type, so it grows one clump. It doesn't grow any excess tubers. It just grows from the roots. This potato will supposedly, create spuds along the stem if the stem is buried. So it's considered a stoloniferous type. So now I'm going to dig my holes for my potatoes, and a lot of people like to use a shovel, and I have used a shovel for many years, but I found that over time it's bothered my hip and my foot. So I tend to use a hoe, and I like to use this kind of hoe because it digs a nice deep hole rather quickly. So we're going to start. You can see the eyes already formed on this potato, so we're going to put it down the ground like this. Most of the eyes facing up. Backfill it a little bit, add some fertilizer, and backfill it some more. But I don't want to bury it fully at this time. I'll wait for it to start to grow, and then I'll backfill again as it grows. We'll do the same thing over here. Word of warning, these organic fertilizers are quite smelly and can be attractive to wild animals or domestic animals even. So now we're going to plant these fingerlings. Potatoes want a slightly acid soil, so don't add lime. And we're going to plant them into this hole, cover them over, and then as they grow, we'll backfill in the hole. Here we have our two holes. I'm not going to fill them up all the way. I'm going to leave them and let the potatoes start to sprout, and then I'll backfill as the vines grow up. And again, bone meal for fertilizer. We'll add some more bone meal as we go through the season. And potatoes are great. They're really easy to grow. They're a lot of fun. They have beautiful blossoms. So I highly recommend them. Great project for families. It really is great fun.